How to change the email on your X account? This quick guide will show you the complete process step by step. First, open your X account and go to your Profile section. Tap on your profile icon, then scroll down and open Settings and Support. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Your Account and then open Account Information. You may be asked to verify your password for security purposes, so just complete that step. Once you're inside, you'll see your current account details, including your email address. Tap on Email Address to update it. Now enter your new email ID carefully. Keep in mind, X will send a verification code to this new email, so make sure you have access to it. After entering the code, your email will be successfully updated and linked to your X account. This ensures your login, security alerts, and recovery options are all up to date. And that's it. Your email is now changed on X. Simple and secure.